He got his Starbucks. Yeah, this is what happens when Mama and Grandma thumbs. Yeah. I think he likes it. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, I think he likes it. I think he's in doggy heaven. Yeah, I think he's in doggy heaven. What you think? Grandma spoils you, huh?